Hi folks, welcome to the Restoration Couple. We are in a celebration period of our 100,000 subscriber milestone, and rather than us just do a big giveaway or do a project ourselves, what we wanted to do is give it all over to you guys to take over the channel. And for the last week we've been asking people to send in their own projects that they want to feature and show everyone what they've been up to. So it's exactly what we've done. We had 100 and something odd photos sent in over the past few days, and because there were so many, rather than rush through them all in one video, what I've done is split them. So we've got an indoor and woodworking type video today, which is featuring around 50 or 60 projects of people's renovations, everything from toolboxes to house facelifts. So that's going to be today's video, and then tomorrow the return fixture will be all the garden, the landscaping, some houses, garden offices, all the outdoor stuff. So there's a good mix, and hopefully you're going to enjoy it. So stick around and we'll take a look. Right, so I think we're pretty much ready to roll the clips, and we'll take a look at what people have been up to. And we're starting off with Brock the pug. That's mean, isn't it? Ending on a nice, clean, organised workshop. Such are the dreams of every woodworker. Hopefully one day later in the summer I will be stood in a completed workshop. But that's a really cool look. I kind of like the black cabinets. Anyway, there we go. A huge congratulations to everyone who has been up busy and making stuff and doing what they do. It's really inspiring to see other people's projects for a change, and not just you guys having to look at this ugly mug doing stuff all the time. I didn't really want to pick favourites because it seems a bit mean, but there were 3 or 4 projects which really jumped out for one reason or another, so I thought we'd share those now. So this brought back some memories, this staircase renovation, restoration. A lot of older properties get butchered and all of that nice original feature and trim gets ripped off, you know, 50, 60 years ago. That was the thing. And it's really nice to see people going back through it and putting it back in. So I know as well as anyone the effort and the painstaking detail that goes into restoring a Victorian staircase like that. So I'm with you all the way there. Keep going, it'll be worth it in the end. Next one was Dan's Pantry. Sounds like a nice sort of bistro or something, doesn't it? Dan's Pantry, we featured when he was building it, I think it was last year, we did a subscribers projects video, and it's a really nice clean look and just shows what you can do when you put your mind to it. You plan something well and get the layout right. Just the detailing with the quartz countertop and stuff like that, really nice, and a little bit jealous of the wine fridge. Definitely one of my favourites was a lovely email from Eleanor over in Ireland. This is her first woodworking project. She was inspired by the Tiny Takeover Toolbox episode, and she made it from some reclaimed timber. I hope she won't mind saying, but she said, I'm 57, never done woodworking before, and gave it a go. And it just shows that, you know, you can turn your hand to anything if you just have a go. Reclaimed reef timbers, and I think that's a really smart little box. She said it was a toolbox, but then it ended up being for crochet. And then finally, not so much a renovation or a woodworking project, but this string art is really cool. I've seen it done before on a small scale, but that world map, I think that's a really smart piece of art, and that looked pretty good on anyone's wall. Hopefully there was things there to inspire you. I know I could talk all day about some of those because they were great fun, especially some of those woodworking projects. But I'm going to leave it there. Tomorrow we're moving on to the outdoor projects, the landscaping, and some other more construction projects, and a few garden offices and summer houses. So there's a whole load of good stuff there as well. People have been busy during lockdown. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you tomorrow.